katia pana unu wada sompate asitine imunu ema katia pa ye no mai mun sama budi mun
Abrana so eno na daya na yataka no odem SOMPA 106.5 FM enkran de eno nie sabre ye yatena se free sabre de kwa kosi se ya besode na ya jemu de amadwuma de nkaye ni nyina no ya de ma de friend hot bite abusia
SOMPA
yatena se no de ya eye Ghana nkomo ni a editie ene ne edika na ya jebre na ya cheche ni nyina mu kama na ye de ama eya medimafo ba center dawroma eno waso ye mu ena anwumre yi say yemfa hot bite ene hot bite kase ene nto aso emfa ma wo sabre ye enyiwa mu nko a o just hot kenki wo a wo pedo kono tu aton wo a wo pedo kono aye odwumadie bia no just hot kenki na make mfo de ama wo ne mo nsu a de be your project ne de ana de be your program no ma ne nye CASA kasa na kira mineral water wo ma dawroma eno wo ma so yasne bra ya tena se wa SOMPA 106.5 FM enkran de no ye wodome Watermelon Street ne so ho ya ben Rising Sun School no e ho na yebutu ubetimi so aseche www.greenhillstreet bam ye ne agina ho no na bibia atumi aye fine abusia ye won kran hai upiemu asantemantamu a SOMPA 93.1 wo mo so wagye kase no e gbo pete Adamfo pa radio ebutu Paris France abrochimemu wagye kase no nyina bogum ya manfo no etie bi ka no sebon afei SOMPA 101.1 ewo takwa SOMPA 103.3 ebutu takrade SOMPA 106.1 ewo tachiman SOMPA 98.9 ewo sunyane SOMPA 90.7 ewo nkranza and afei SOMPA 101.3 enobutu doma doma hinkro nso doma FM 100.7 wono so ache kase na gba petie ba wo bia etie bie ewo ho Kanashia ban radio ewa kanashia kase mu ankran ha ya wo mo aje kase no wo mo ya asempa tre ewo ho afei Kingdom 106.1 ewo mankasim ahima mu pe wo mo so aje kase na ma wo soro ahima mu abofo no wo mo nyina agibose am obi anya bia tie eno nti se wo hia ya wo Facebook a ya no ahwehwe SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra anase SOMPA FM live SOMPA Accra 106.5 live ya no YouTube no baby a ofakwakudo nyina Wamu wa dacha brochimem anasa Netherlands ana Holland ho no wane wo ya wamu hwe live ewo YouTube ne so SOMPA FM live afi www.somponline.com so ensam wegu ho cha kati ya hunwi ya ne ya be kan nyina bi wo ho a wo betimi akọ na wakọ kenkan bi abusia medin ede oduma nkoma chiame OBREMPONG-NANA KWAKU AMPOMAH afi ejibre na nkoma edap no so ne no yensa ne mfama nia yatia dia finfin mantamu ne se upiemu wo finfin mantamu a ba bia ye fra se gomu achiase ewo gomu central ewo finfin mantamu ho abrantie bia wanya mfinhia ba se aduasa nan 34 years ye friend education wa taxi driver ena yesi nipa bia akọche na bono aye ne nyado ama papa abrantie na toa ya no wonsie do na utietie nsem ni mudin na ohwe ne yewo mu a information a kwaku adama asesa aye ho ekeka bo mode ma ye wa ha ne se abrantie yi education wono ane master ena efre no se owo baabi ntu amefa no ena wo kwa akofa no no ekwan so a wonam ena nipa monefo bi kwache ne ye ne dom a wo ma bro na kuno agya na to ho na asemi ba ye no ama jese nkrofo wo bia ka ne wo pe ebinum se ebi kura no ne ko ba ba ko so na ka betim no master ko ba so ebi kura so bia na entokwa bi wo mo ntam de da ena wo bia nhunu ye nka ye na dia ba bedu sabri many work I said here, a body now copy Aguna Swedru, Prosy for one of a father, Aguna Swedra. Says one papa, I say, be crumpa, then your brother the Kuno. Now, some for which the Busha journey on Facebook. SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra, Facebook, no, and I said, SOMPA Accra 106.5 live, YouTube once over SOMPA FM live. Video no dey twa go na brand and dey not to stretch as we cross a car bucket. And one day na 200 man never is. Nipa answer you. And what that we got and chan crown what that's I know. Wow, small boy 34 years. Yan kwa ho no so na ye ne kwakwa de ma. En ko bon ko na nsemi won kire mu kwa kuma ajo.
Beni amajo so.
Na fifi mantem boko de.
Oh, iradi adom. Ahaboko pa.
Na die na ko ba ya agwemu achi ase. Isaac Eshen. Nipa bi achi na boro no adan wo se die mbone no ya. Nuntima tasi doba. Kamba mo no kura de mo no kaka na munya no. Wo mo achi na bo no aku no. Na wo mu ku no nso na kai no wo mo faaye. Ana wo mja ka na siwa na wo mu wi ana ka ho.
Yo many amada se edewa be tie mo ewo eye gomua achi ase eno eye kura ewo eye gomua central maintain mu a ewo mfimfiri mountain ben eye aguna swede na obi pie mu ewo ha eye ade se awewo sem ya eti arevo en eni enya ye vapa ni nyina no eye tasi grade bia ni dinu edi eye Isaac Eshen na advantage ewo 34 years ene de ya mena o ka say advantage actual na nanom ewo nchedo akushi aishia na kwenspo buwa arewo se de rapa abra ne se membrempo ye anase yenim ko de nembo mo no ohe empire advantage faso ehwe ne nkwa de within say emo oil ya ye papa ya temperature amane boni nyina ekire ne say advantage taxi driver na yade se one boss anase the penia car owner no car no eye ne dia mche car owner no ewo eye sikase mi ho ntimo wase kakra aye be 2000 cities na enumu ena tese sa asemo no eda ho a won henti ba ne se car owner no efre eye Isaac se ombra na one no nko site na ebra umuduru site no ena mrante bi ewo ho a womato ahye abrante so endia haide ahembre womabro no fremframo a enye asam ketua na womuwie ya na je abrante ne tito bomo no ena sa abrante na etam eye abrante ne tuke mu ede ne ba eye aguna so do government hospital eno mbebo police eye ayasafo no amandete abrante no afukubi ena opaye ebe hwefom nti ena akoba ne sa nti asa we nso no na yare se etwetwe adotafo na so ye nti abrantie no a wa kire ne nkwa ne busuafo ekwaye police report sezi amene wo ka sei police report no ekire mu se wo se wo mu ekopapan abrantie no na wo mutimi ho de kodi pochen a etimi eku no eno ene ne wo mutimi gina so hu ne se wo mu bro abrantie ana se ofukube ene pa na form na ekese enonam so na edi ewuo no aba na awewo se ma ko a ewo asemi mu nyina mpu nyina no ekire mo se abrandie no eye ni wu a we share fie yi enye ade se aguna shodo ana se achiase gomu achiase police for ati woni kedi a ewo ehon esane se wo mu ekire mo se wo mu ten eye police report na yi hospital report no aso de kodi potea etimiku abrante no na keso no timi egina so na umu hune umu beye teze udisa ya na agbona gomwa achiase no agbona so edu no awon semu a esi ewo ho enie
kwaku me yam ahye se wo mu si wo mu ana de ne kwa ya asabia ho ma wo mkwa kaze wo furu kube na kube ku a ofuru ye no wo makwa kire kube no
eno ne bra ko ne ba ye no amanebo a anase wonya na wo ho a ehu se sa ko no abasa abrantie no eye ne kawu na fre ni se o mesin radio no mo nko side eno ne amanebo a wo mo ebo ena afi so no wo mu kodu ayarsa de on so no eno ne aya amanebo a wo mo de ebebo e wo ayarsa de on se abrante no wa fuku bi e ma wa ya be hwefom e ma kire se eno ne nam so ma wo hia ne kwenche wo na wo de wa so tutu fom kurampo titi nsem a e ko so na wo mu kire mu se saka wu na no juma udia no enye adrafo bi ewo ho a ejeze odene nsa ageka wo mo enti enye no wawa enye mo wawa mpo se etini akoba no sa se onwan kasa nipa otini ka wo hia ne kwenche wo omu de bomu susu se sa na kawo na mo obetini aye sanse juma udia no
na se friend na aye bi da na ai baby a wo mo ekwaye ne dom allegedly no ne hu bi yira aye ni sika na bi a waye adwuma sa abre no ena ka wo na no prosifo afre no
eno na me tete wo se isi anapa eni nje no onipa na ngaza no wahwene ne ngwa enti asembe mpa na wobetimi ebuta no se ba ne se edi en obetimi aka fa ho ne ade ka wo na no Police enfre no owe ma se ni mu a etrese be tu na no eya bi se police itinya ya we simpu se ebia abrante yi we ya we eno no mpo no ka ne sen na we so anase na we so but ni ni mu se so ni bi wa asem na bibi to oba ko a the prime suspect e ni pa na e wa asem yempo e yesi na wa fo a eno why no more na mani say o flip bi ananse why dey gina ho why no na na ewo ho o flip bi mo tinje no ya de asemu a ya semsebe o say u bi semu nsemu a e be nti se amiro ka say approach for enyanchi obi a e wo sa asemu hu ani wo mo ke nyina ne se wo mo twen police report e ka ne say autopsy report no na so wo mo timi ehu de person na eku abrande no
okay kwaku miana aseni amfa nkomo nsi ya ye bo wura fie ho abantie na busua mu ho ni akwa akodi nkomo ni bi ho abasisi ya ida se anwumre ni nkomo
yo mate
busua kwaku adamatu ya nkra de finfin mantem awre ho sempa no de abre yensa no na wukuo abrantie asode anopa ye se ne kawo na afre no se wo mefa no nko site so wakofa kawo na akwa site yo se wan kofa na wanya nkoduru se den yo kawo na yese kawo na so okofru kube no tefe na mibusa se yen yenim kubefo no se ja ofru kube no kra na wo ba uti na beba form fence ana se onan na beba form fence kube no tenten yesen ene wo behwe form no ne hefa na bo ho ni nyina ye questions a wo se ye busa se wo so ofru kube dia ye hwe pray wo ne ho no because wo hwe wounds na wo ne ho na media me baby am metie no sani ade na ni enya nti ni na black and white na say na videos bi wo mu yi so sa videos ni bi eto so na tie fo hwe bi baby a me metie no de me hu no se bi obi a wafuru bi abete ahwe bi so a se ja wafuru ko be no sa no wore na nsa na fu bebam nti oba no oguzu oba ofamuze na atwi ama na nsa ho no ne na furu su nyina no ayesa ano so wo ho eno so ka bi saa etima no eye possible na ye hwe se ye nsa beka ono ani nua Samuel Eshen ne ere no abo nkomo wa asemi ho wage ye pene ye pa se woni ye bekasa se woni ye bekasa esansa asem we pa de se wo mo tena se ama na agense mo saa pa de nya de a wono ebeye na yegusu toatoa nhoma no a na ye ne empanifo abonkomo wa asemi ho ni ya pa asem ne duagubre na afei ba bi abambofo no nso aye nhwehwemu di akoduru no ya bawuram aso questions amanfo bebre ebusa ne asemi kura no esi daben na besine asemi asempa obi anhyada mo ho wa obi anka ho hwe a anya sompafo na kofa asemi ba ye ya ko obi aye din ewo enhoin but ye behwe na ye de ho nkomo nyina e de amaw medimafo aba center di mayen pa ene anwumre se nipadua no niam nkoyie wapose yo ya stroke na ache wo mepacho wo de no hypertension wo so kidney failure awo na emma wa wade ni mu afo ne kyerem ewo medimafo aba center ba na ba ema munyina mo nko na fe ba no ye hwɛ niam mu bi na bibia entimi nkoyie pa ya de bia why a quancro a winnie pediana sono would do me for bar center so yeah let me out to a kama at the amount that be to me I fine yawo pokwase mayra enkran he ya na afi kumasen so buakwa agogo ya ni aban suku no na edi anim hwe e wo ho fra yan 0244 774 282 0244 774 282 and I say 0500 727215 0500 727215 na oni yen abo enkomo na bibia nso atimi akoyie pa Just Bread and Pastries woman a day just what kenke no e de aba na no na me nam me si me ba do me foforo me kodi do kono bi na se polo se onim polo enya do kono age se ubu ohun ano no o blend kure enye yi gi se ubu na ware eno yankasi ye dio ye re do kono enya nya na sabra na me hu josofo na afi na josofo akire difference no se unya josofo kenki that's a ton a me metena ha emeka wan asem se odokro na ati se obuwie ana se I say polo me ba chopa just what kenke yesi betu na koton 3 Ghana cedis pe ena bio u di dwuma bi u ye program bi unya ya nka opɛ dɔkono ɛyie abadintu o wedding bi a wo ye unya ya nka unya dɔkono na o de serve wase a na nke be kɔ yie pa sa e de ama wa bomode na ne josefo enkasa ye wa do me commercial bank na chiri ya GA numbers no 0256 068 832 0256 068 832 na one yen abon komo mayen kwa homa no so na yene Samuel Eshen yene no enkobo Samuel majo
mejo sumenya
ohona mboko de
nyankopon da Roma o so de ne
ya yenso ye ho ye pa na Samuel unia kuma ne Isaac
bacho aminia kuma na machiriba
mo ni ayen ye wo enkran ya tie ne se ne master afre no e wo phone so e from a chance say ya wo me fa no site na so kodru ye say wan kodru ana ne ya tie ne say ye say amane bo no say o hwe no a obi ne nsa keka no ana wa free mu dan so ne amane bo e ba he ne say so okofo kube ana wo te hwe ye asemi wo na wunua ba wo na nkomo yi munnim ho e ho asem pa te sen etiefo opensem pa tie
me amena say the tenant said they were fucking ne kwansa no me mi ano nra na no fa no o ka na yire ne ma me say ne mata say o me fa no ko site enti o ko akofa na ma sa fa ba eneja oni de otu ni ka no ko ye ti awiemu wa na menya ne ntie say ye say wo jina ha wo twahwe enti omo rase no tu aguna sedu hospital enti ebusia no yemra honom ene yidimika eno bona me ni twinti ni frey ena omo mo fi ni dimika so omo kwakohwe na omaye omo koya enti de uke de atwitwa so dena ne masa no eye no ono wadi kan e police station akoka che police for ni se na kola ba ko kanaka akofu kubi awati afi enti onye yene ye ko ho no ma police for ndi amane ne boy kwa so mo kwa se no ma cha afem nada na na masa no kwa na be ye complain ene yesi de bi o hwese ne nipa ne da ho na we nye kubi bi na wafro na wati afi ye yesu se nipa bi na ashada apono na asem ne nyɛ mu be ye busum ba ko ko minu ntam ni na ene ire no ebe ka tete ne masa no edije nu ewo ni fie se odemeka eye 2000 Ghana cedis enti se wan fa se tika na ma nya de obegya no wa ba fi enti ofre mi ni aba ko ono so oba o ye CPA ni police community police ko yi and ofre no bo na man no si o okay sa dia ma me frɛ me so me pani ba akora me kan kyerɛ no and ofre pani na pani ni frɛ ono ne masa no and ono ka sa se adenti na wo wachi o wadi teni obi o fi se o mane nko fi na odoka yenye ne sa be ya na de be don nonkunu agba akwakobo no ndi yenye ne sa egisa de a mane nko fi memom ade tia na wo ma hwe na ne sika o de no o mo de na ade akwakoma no e na o ti ase na eja o ma akwan na me nua ne ba fi eno ne se nra de wa san so aye afre ne se o mbefa no mpa no ko ba bia enwa na minyano ye kopino so hospital a watwa no no mo nsiedo enti me no ka say asana o police station nemo a police for no check say o mu so mu ye nhwehwemu ne master no ne bana o drive me nua no free o de me nua no to car mu e free ne master no e free ho society ho no e de ba hospital no o bi a ya tio a police for so mu ye nhwehwemu nemo me yenko ye autopsy na yen fa report na mra e report ne ba anu mbeti na gina so say e ya mpache ye ball anaso trikubeso na robo pop na o matini adan achi obi wo ti mo bi ta na sa na tie
Isaac me ba ansa na me comment me kwa chire kura ko busa asem di wa chire ho no police fan sa mo nkwa ye autopsy ne mra
I
oh okay na master no a ono master no ya adwuma ben site o ko site o ya adwuma ben
oton oye cardila oto card de ma e maburu youth no
na me bo baby a oh baby ahoma no oh mo hwe ne mame na asema me be pese me busa ne se baby a o say allegedly wo kwafuru kube no baby a wo kwafuru kube no a wo te hweye no allegedly eye ne site ho ana ne fie ana hefa yeah Ike
hello
Isaac
hello
Esha
hello mbadate meka
Esha me te won kapa
aha
na me busa se wo mo se ayi kubedua na wakofo ye no na si ni master ni fie ana esi na adwuma mu ho na wakofo ye
omo chese kubeni wo ne master ni fie
ana obi aba wo fie abafu kube na wate ahwe allegedly wo ja ne ho ekwo police station ese wo ba na mfa ne ko hospital o bre ko ammo obusuani bi amane
Yabi. Enti ye koto so hospital hono. Se odu hospital hono next morning so modern by kwa no free.
Dead on arrival.
Yes.
Maybe.
Next morning so next morning so omodi ni bedu hospital hono akasa. Na ya dey awaso na nanu mo ntie dada. Ansa na wo modern neighbor.
Ena wo se na ne nai ba be nkum no
ni nai ni fan mu
ni fa no
ni freno
ni ekwa ne sere ho no ena beti nso ahwan na beti be nkum na ni fa
na beti no be nkum no ahwan
niam be nsisi so ena
ne kon so achia ne kon no emu abuti nta ho no pa
na obi firi kube so be hwe fom a so odi ni tikura na ba ya ni komu de bebu dia de be kana beti bare nka ne nan wodne nan so na ba ya enkoka na beti nkoka ne ti apa so no na moja bi wona ho se bi abo na pepa bi epira moja bi wona ho
dabi moja bi ani ni ba bi ya
se bia na ya ne wo ka se bia wujide mama abusua no na se empanimfo nyine etie asemi se wo se bibia kire Ghana empanimfo a moy na nka abeto ne nkra wa asemi ho
nipa meto ne nkra kane IGP
mo to ne nkra
IGP ena meche ne se ye betre no na asemi we die enka wo mumre mo mampanimfo mre mu na wo mo hwese se ebi anka me a me gina ha yi ena mafo obi de hye edina ko baabi na medene babi ma enipa no ne tibi odi free the fie me ye ko ye no wasase sa ko tibi afupum na me say nipa no ko fuku bi no te hye nti me ye tini a enye ye a me dwene ho a me nti ase nti mesra agiti anka wo mbre mu na ye hwese se ye chi enipa ofre me nua no edi fie e ko site ho ebesi na wa free me say nipa no ye china enye ye popul say ye be ye police autopsy report na se fie tu autopsy le busia nya sika nya ya nipa no onenam ho
Ejen ma yam fa komo yi enkonkon hansa asem we ye be so bo se ye be die kira kosi se etuo betwa why right abusia we ya Samuel Ejen wono ye ni nua kuma ni odi na chipe ene Isaac Ejen ya wato aya no mo nsi adui na ene na nkasa no se ma to me book akra because se we ya drobani adrobafo a etie minim se we ya drobani na se obi efo kai empo unnim no na wafo kai na ebia nipa no bi kura no ye asthmatic patient a wanfa ni inhaler na asem to no awo car num na wo de ne ko police station ya edi kan che driver ni kura ansa na e de wo share kire ho de wo share counterback be tro no asem ye san pian ko share sales ansa na ye de kire but na menti ase wo we mu ne se eyampa wo de ye nyintum se eyampa abrante no wo kofuru kube wate ahwe wawu papa no a ni ono na frɛ no se wa mefa no nko site no agya body ne ho aba police station wo breko a wa mobusuani bia amane akọ police station akọ report se obi a onye obi hunu keke oye na kwara a otwi ne car aba ne fie allegedly aba befu kube se hwan ne car so wonfo so se wo na ma ne fu ye se onfuru kube no no anti bi ma okra na se ye kyew tio se wo na wo frɛ no se omra no mati kube ne mfa mawo kura no a wo e wo se ye kyew because ubusa no se obetimi afo no se ane ana daabi wanya we nyina se wo ye so obetimi afo ana wontimi mfo an ubusa no se obetimi afo e na wafo do wafiri soro kura ba hwe fom na wawu a in the first place no wo a wo koye sa report na se edi kan faw ehwe adekodi ye womu nti anam so a wo firi soro ba hwe fom eno ye baako 2 onipa wo tam body no papa ne de oni ho enti se papa ne ba o se hwan na ono so fa body no e de call hospital ho no sa nipa no so se ye che no e o se police fo fa no baro ti asam na till date ye police fo jai omo no omo ne nam ho na omo gusu home mframa pa enu munsu pa di aduane pa wo bre ko obi de hia nam mo nsa so awu tio sa ekwan mu a okwa ne master ne ho no nkrofo kwa bu ne ku no eno ye 1 say ye no master na afre no so wo mra enti na master ne nsa so na brantie na wu 2 on the other hand say okokofu kube awo ne master fie no free soro ba hwe fom ne master ne ya we say wa ba ho e ba ba furu kube ona afre ne ma ne fi ne fie ba ho enti na mo nsa so na wo frɛ no ba ye enti ne wuo no master ne na mo nsa so e na brantie na wu na mama mfa we so na mento nkrama me wofa Christian tete ye ho no se we di asem we pa de hot bite we mu interest na ye nya akire di se ekwan bia abrante ne fa so hwere ne nkwa se ne abrante yi kan Samuel kan na ne em ya Samuel so ye nsantwere ni tse ya o Samuel so ye ya nua nsantwere ni Samuel Shen o ye ya nua nsantwere ni nya se o ye nua nti ene ya mani hu me kwa hu ntintin no na emom o ye Ghana ni ba enti na mani abre no sansa ye adwuma na ye no ye de ma Ghana fo ena ye nipa ho adwuma nya because o kam meni ni nyina ye adwuma ba akonti enti se ye beye ni sei se ne o kan nsem ne de ba nti se 2000 years na busua ni nya the needed amount of the be autopsy e the report abre police fo a wawu nkwase awuo no wamu guso ne nam ho na asasem we ko si wo ba bibia me mpese mebodin a say na ya na man krofo de mra hye wo nsem no na no yete ha ana tachiman tio enka ya gi tachiman police fo nsem a wo mko me say me kan me mpese meboso biom but yet no man mu na say ye hu say ya na wabusa ho say enti wo kra no wo ya mistake say one Obama ye wo ne yesan wo to Ghana bi mu ana see sometimes I say obi tie chira we kasa na odi emotions na kasa na nka menya den nipa nkwa o nipa nkwa nipa nkwa ye ukoka na binom aso omo men no omo gina chie san di watam na sanka yesi ye yi kwan na nka wo dan a wo se kwan ne tene da be fa wo ebe yi one blog ato fom no wo se contractor ni madwuma da be fa wo kwan ho ana wo dan ho a yi one blog pe eto fom no wo se contractor ni na adwuma saa na wi ase ne tie na anka wonam kwa nyame o de mate wo mo se mentume bo osoro ha nti metume bo kakra e de amam wo osoro but so sad say an innocent man, young man, 34 years wa kra ne yire ne ma mon kanchre assemblyman no ma me say if guso frɛ no ona bo kwakwese jokwa ekwam krom lecture area eguso frɛ ona bo fa call no ma ye na baby adu no ato adwa fampieto brebe because asem we nyina no say mo ama mu bi na mo nyina ma mfa mo wan hye nkomo we mu a yetete wa na nkrofo in a foolish case yete ha ana ne a number mbofo nsa so kra wa wu kra no amanfo ode am ntwan na no kra ho nsem oba ode o mfa wontena se na yemfa ne aka nto aso nkomo na se me yafa no 2 personal because asem na awreho right asem na ya say and just a young man 34 years or a youth onu baby aka na afi no di president ye na nam obi nsa so be ko pa bibia bedi ene me ko ya na ya na amankwa na ye ne nam nya me be ye dempo because say wontimi nka okoye na ye ne master friend no waka say master ma ye busy me ma ka master beji ka na firi nsam me master friend me na so tie asem no mu a tie sani eshen kan no ene sani kwaku adama de beto so no there is some sort of issue bi wo montam sikasam ho yankwa homa no so na abo aba homa no so na ene ne monkomo yene onabo kwaku esel one na ye jokwa ekwam krom electoral area or assembly member e wo ho ba bi asem ni si important no eye ne person onabo ma ajo e onabo timi ka SOMPA oh dabi oh yeah sad try because asem we die etwetwe aso e se ehwe ne ewuram na yepem wo efoforo e wo akire e de emma what you say obi say you make what this evening honorable SOMPA FM so nie honorable ma ajo e
ya onia
me pa to no honam boko de
ye na bo bojo se
nyame adom nso ho ye pa honorable ene ye ne atie for that se waje brand ye bon komo ye wo aboboa no ho eho gomu achi ase se eho no na eye o lecture area no
so yen ko no ye military yeah
aha na uni ma brand ye ya ye friend no education taxi driver no
but so me papa o ye ma o pastor
oh what for sipe
more for sanga la
okay ana bwani asemi wanim na da ni ayatie ne se ne master afre no se wa mefa ne nko site wa se site wo duru ye se wa nuru enkra e ba ye ne se ogina ho no watwa hwe no ye 1 2 won ko ya ye se da bi na wonyina ho na mo afru kube e no afru kube so abehwe fom na nso hwe se ne won mo describe ni pira no a asa twetwe aso kakra minim se ne wanya briefing e de afa asemi e de ho fa na oni prosifo adi nkomo amoma ka bibia akere wa na
onya marikanu ay papa no di kan mechi mechi so na ongrafina mi lom anga tanga onye tabi yede jago because ma fa no oko ejuma no wa no di fi ju kwa no de ko dam achiaso oko no na
Chairman will be sent there. Yeah, we can oil but to does on the now from side. Yes, okay. That is a question because what you know what the camera with me every day at home. If you want, then you need to open the card. Education. What's the example? One travel from the local hospital. I'm getting in the no, okay. Oh, yeah. Because I'm saying, New York, you are back. Let me have some police. Oh, yeah. I don't know. I'm not million. What you kind of go with it. I can't say. And I'm out of no, that personal back with your own ship. A few position of it. No, what should be now? You don't go around very clear. If we are some other against that, they're promoted. They want the background. Open a travel. There is a from here. The
okay. Honorable Niati and say, Bessin police for your arrest be a sanity.
Hello.
Honorable.
Thank you.
Honorable Timinka. Honorable Timinka.
126
there be honorable Timinka. Honorable Timinka. Aha. Me busa say, Niati and say, up till now. Police for one chi will be a so be all more who and I be a sanity.
Because your boots don't be a because Kamu and Nagata, one of the Taco police system, report said, well, took be no book. If they ask us now, want to be a promoted now, you don't have some more kind of only that arrest you go to me.
Na abra before Oko police station no odi kan frɛ busuafo bi ebo amane say oh Isaac abaha na wobeti kuba amame na wobeti kuba awe na nso we free kube so abahwe fom ntino mimi di kan police station ti munhia me ho
information in answer or kaka no ufita mi say we ka boko which one can change the work the car yeah Oko police local hospital or but say or be no obokum. But see, as some no see of the fiasco. The principal na that's what it down now. What for can be the moon? Oh yeah. The boy to come the boy then. I did a good enough from Obokum and now Bibi Ayana. We will pick on from there.
Yeah, so and say Abusiano Nabana Mbaka autopsy no.
This is a Gusa, Yantity, Yami Aduma, Ochina, Ebaka, Una, Yampen of Betty, a Mayami Owa, Ubuma, Obutum Adoji, Yami Admochina, Ebutuan among Na, Yaposuna, Waye, Yavu, the Pacupatia, Buku, Malfasino.
Yo, honorable when you can't the free channel quay, you be jawn na what dear tree. Near better from beyond your besamba. Because I same way the cry we interest room. Your besamba no more boy and 1 year. Why?
Yo, but I say, right.
On Shiramonso, on Shirapanso. I was any pine no a bon come a honorable quaysel. One on our Ukopiemu, a Jokwa, a quam crum, about 1 percent, one and now where assembly member. Yeah, oh, one day assembly member or Honti. My young fan come in Concon, none was saying, I don't watch and I free channel conano. One by now, Omaka autopsy no. No, the report at the Akuma police for no man had a good report here, and I'm so a kum Isaac Eshen. Na the watch no, yet they are to a tear for him. Tianso, yet in common besia, na to us. Nemo yet the ania, Yabanam Casa. Casana Chamin Rawatan, you know, you pay Bianum. Now, boy and pa. Sansonia Casana Chamin Rawatan, now no, na a bow a ye. Comia, a winny pedium in a free mu kama. I don't know, no, now Johnson, now we had good now ye are dear free mu, never be at me. I fine. Casana Chamin Rawata, and no, ya dear him, and ye are dear. kasa natural mineral water eboa ma wompomden papa kasa nsuo abojo nsuo pa sa wo pedodo na watu aton a fra yen sesi a ewo 0206 469 430 0206 469 430 Casaloma Ventures womo Taifa back hospital na chi wono a na de nsuo ya ba eboa pa ama bibia etimi akonkan wo mada woroma na anwumere wo maso yasene a ye de hot bite any hot bite kase ne nto aso e de ma wo na hyene nso se hot bite kase ne nto aso no eja apia APAM DADAA wa ya krado wo de to aso ama yesisi a
afe ensam no yiwa asomba ene sra na basa ne yentutum fama live o wi ase nyina apa ne sutitru ene Facebook wo sompa Accra live 106.5 de no na the live na hye figure ne to odem eba ne sa no wa che na obi nso anya bi na ya sha se de afri okada ena afe tricycle riders ene emu operators wono mo nkabo muku no onza womo so aye demonstration womo demonstration na womo ye nyina ne se na no se womo shada tena se pa bra na yewra to ba for se media budget wo bo so yi wo boy aboboya okada for anka wo masem afe edu se entumu ahodo ba petrol ni diesel so ewie ya mampani ka se wodi 2 cedi bi kura ato akire se wo mfanti diesel na so no okada se nyusu diesel nti womo no ebi anka wo nti womo hu ni pefe se ase edu se ye jejeje to na ne ye kai won na mum ntafre wa ne ye chade a ne ye yure firi won enti saa wo ye kire womo da womo haw na di enna womo frɛ no oponchecheku enna womo president de woda Okada Riders Association na no owura Kofi Michael wode nsem sei eto opon anim.
Both Orak and Nutok have our membership runnings into thousands of people, and these are Ghanaian youths who rely on this trade for their daily bread. What are the main issues? We, the Okada Riders Association and the National Union of Tricycle Operators of Ghana, after Parliament amending the LI 2180/2012, resulting in LI 2519, which they say is currently awaiting presidential assent before it can become a law, is long overdue. The associations say they initially welcomed and commended the government for supporting the legislation process. However, we, after Parliament passed the bill, have received little or no communication regarding the next steps.
Eno National Union of Tricycle Operators Association, one more president ya. Enti ewie no ena wo mu union na nkasa nso no de wotua wo ma no Hafiz Hamza wonu nso de bi kan ho.
Eti ane ya pesa omabenya so tinzai be na transport minister oni Okada Riders Association benifo no yani omo nhia ye DVL sa road safety sa yanim ne omo ye ye santi ne pesa omabenya tinzai still Okada ko no afen ko na yomo chi yankasa afen na ye no ye party team afen na ye ho chi yankasa ye ka say license ho asem who your license aye from last year anu aye no cover no to no mo da maye license na yankasa no ewu payment na wa ko no mo di stamp aboso payment na wa ko no mo di stamp aboso mi wa Ghana ka du ko na ya o me ya ma sisi a ko ya Ghana ka na wo sanka license ni boy ye di to the test o bi sa wo say license ni Ghana ka no sisi ebe na mo den na mo di ya license no na den na mo di ya Ghana ka da license bo na ye di na mi ni ka ta person nya license ya o to kita be 1200 Ghana cedis more me pato ti ase license no ye dade me pato ti abi 1500 na da de ne yi and na ye insurance akoso me pato ti ase ye motor registration ya akoso na ye sisi o mampani eni mu uche iti ene Okada Riders Association ani no to anase bragia for ya kambom se ye di yankasa ye timpo ani ne anya ani ne ye tete ne ye di nyina de akoto o mampani eni
enti Hafiz Hamza no sa mampani wi afira wo mo de no na na mo de to nyom o kada no enso ase aban ba so no de ese wo no mo nsunya no wo mo nsankan enti o ye kire wo mo etutu ties wo no ma ete ba kono mu de ya mo so no anase de tapoli akata so no wo mo ka ho ana afi wo mo ete de de fa nema efa gya no nso abobo ya no wo mo nso ka ho na wo mo nyina ka bomu a wo mo ye sa ye kire ya wo no mo frɛ na napon checheku na ewie ye no wo mo nso a mo de okada na nkasa no dodo na ne bi na mum wo mo na etwie na agya wo mo nso anya wo mo sese kakra firi no wo mo didi ho saafo no nso amana nka mo de wo mo de ma opon sei
Angamuri asa omo chilu tsa obaji papa na sidi 200 cities onye bibia ama omo mo sit bia omo bi okom nyina ko chilu ara ko office scan ko bibia ara be bo
o say the 29 mbas 100 cities ba ko o ko police so scan o jihad na mi ma no je edu no what you say that is no me ade omo hwi
enti okada riders no any operators no one demonstration na one friend na point checheku e de wo makonsem to nanim eno na ya bieso e wo ya kase mama woyi
ya to kase no eso na Major General Maxwell Obuba Mante ami ofa wono ana wode nsema to dia no wo chese no kure ekwan a se wono na ye Narcotics Control Commission wana oye penimpa ya woda no na womo kyerɛkyerɛ kwan pa won bafa so a wo metimi aboa pa na anu bone ehu asitu no yetimi atu ase eno na nakok won ne womo a drug dealers drug laws no a ewo krom ha sei no wo ka kyerɛ om se sabre ya womo ma womo so ansa firi na no a ye hye enema no ye kwaji ye ni nyina ye hye ni wie ye no kra be 1.2 million ya womo hye ni nyina wie ye no womo nkɔ ba bia womo ato mbo asepa na anu se womo kɔ tenkasi ho sei womo kɔ tichi bia wo ha eno wo kyerɛ om se sabre de wo hunu se ye grace period wo de ama womo se wo de anya hwe momfa nsa kyerɛ mo adwene na momfiri nubɔne ne ho munya nubɔne nom tenkasi ho mo a mutie ye alaba tenkasi ho no mo a mugu ase ho nsuom ho no nyina ye humo wase mo nso firi ho na mo nkofie mo free street ne so mo amaje bantama kyerɛ ho se o maje ho aboso ne atechem mo nyina mo nso firi ho enkokofo a mutie yen a mo nyina mo nim ayi ho bode ho maje ho aboso nyina mo nso firi ho na nakokofo oba na bra Major General Maxwell Obuba Mante wane nsentwerefo akasa no waka no say
intimidate anybody. Neither are we here to make life uncomfortable for anyone. It is to make sure that the country is safe in terms of narcotics. You know what drugs can do to the security and safety of this country, and by extension, the sub-region. And so the little effort we put in when we get encouragement such as we have demonstrated this afternoon, we see it as a very big boost, and we are encouraged to work harder. And that is when I always want to turn to my deputy who says that when you have not been arrested, consider it as a grace period for you to reform. And so those who are enjoying the grace period, use the period to reform, because on the spot reporting and using the IT to support our work will go a long way to enhance our operations. And since we assumed control of this commission, our aim has been to build a professional institution where everything will be on point in terms of educating the youth especially and enforcing the anti-narcotics laws.
Laws ni nyina no ba kubi enyinam sei ba bia railway na chi ho bia boys yi omo atu galam sei eja hui amanfo ko ase no omo hyehye ho sa wose ho nyina won befa ho wo mu wi a boys na toto nam wo kwan no ho no wo be ko aso wo toto nam enso na de bi hye ho na wo twe ni sei ku ha ko so enwisie na ba bia nam no dan enwisie ne fa ho na efa mani so no wo boa afi railway ho train station ho ho nyina wo mbe wura ho nti wo mu di ka ma mo warning se ansa no mbaba no na masakra ene wa fa nyame wo mo ne uni asem na emom ugusu ye ndro ne dia wo mo de mra ne be ye adwuma Maxwell Obuba Mante Major General ne odana kokko ano no ene yete ne nkan
ene ye to aso ana ye wuram wonsam fufrom na galamse asem odoman koma boss ya ena achemoda mrache badwani a wo ho Alexander Kwasi Akwa ese asam no wo mo aboso a na emom se be ne yebetimi ayi galamse na akwa no se wode hyanko akwa adwane enti wode na no atomu bi pa wo ka se bremu nso na wo mo ka se ye abakosem bi asa nansesem bi na wo mo to no se still ni nyanti o enu di adanse se galamsey no wo munyae enti we de wo srada ba bia aduru no agye asofo bem gi imamfo ba mu enti somfo mfa honhonyim na tworo no wo munwuram sakro anenom ana se wo munwura bible nom ba bia nyame wo ka se yenye galamsey wo de wo mo anhwehwe firi adam penso akokosie ana afi se wanka ne sanso na etia ana wo mo mfa ense asafo mo na wo mo wom bi no na wo mo nsesa yerekwasi akwa ne nsem ni.
There were videos that were taken from this site to some media stations that I did some engagement with. A lot of people didn't believe this was Achimota because Achimota has been so quiet and nobody knows that there's so much of galamsey going on here, destroying our ecology. Look at the distance between these pits and the Brim River. And that is exactly what they are doing, washing whatever water that comes from here into the Brim River. Think about the level of chemicals that they are putting into the pit. Think about the level of chemicals that they are putting into the water, the Brim River, which is one of the main source of our drinking water. You understand? So it is important we start having a conversation, let people know, let the focus and attention be here. For once, people think that I am exaggerating, I am overdoing it, I am destroying the image of Achimota. The people who are destroying our ecology, nobody's talking about them. But for me, who is bringing it up, people think that I am destroying the image of Oda. You can judge it for yourself. You look at the level of destruction. They are not saboteurs. They are not people who are destroying Achimota. I, who is bringing this into limelight, have been described as a... So we should all keep them. What is the use of me being elected as a member of parliament?
MP na nani abres hano. Enti say wo mpota mu asa wo kana omra asa bedwani de bobo adum ni adan a na asa o awe o asa bibi ba na huntra mo wani mre we aya Achimota mra asa bedwani ona bo akwasi akwa na o tese no wo kase
na galamsey nkomo ye yenko brekum won so atiasi ho ama say wo mo ya cash crops wo mo a nanka kane wo mo timi dua mrobe pa ma wo mo ngi best farmers wo ho nyina so wo mo timi nua bio a o de etrase kra na asem bia nsi ye na atie nsam no ne efiri ho ba no ntimi ne wo ka sei wo mo aye ye kire afa brekum wo de efiri east akwa west e de kwa ne ntwa so ba bia woni mo brekum bia no we no am nam bank na nim ho no wọ́n akọfa ho nyina akọfa ekyire ho nyina wọ́n akọkyi na akọfa ho street bia wọ́n mu wura ho sɛ afɛri de nsɛm hunu so no hwɛ nsuo aye nsuo we yɛre na nkom de gu ayi abrɔbɛ no so nkurumafo no ɛno anom de gu so na wɔn ayɛ nyaadoa mako ntosi na bi kura afiri hɔ bankra ne yɛ nya bi ato no wɔn akɔ sɛ nsuo no nyinaa enti wɔn te se mɔntene so ayɛ yɛ kyerɛ na dabɛhene ya wo brekum na no atran konyansa ase so ya no kra isa demonstration wo kan wo mo a e organize ye no ho na opon bo attendate ya otoso mienu wo mo ni agina simpie ni apaso ani ensam de wo buru bi papa na kasa ye na bra wo kasa no ye chikakra de agu ahoma ne so ye hwe ne ye na nane no e de ama o sei.
The year 2011, we here the district award.
Embarking on this demonstration because of the galamsey activities going on at the Brekum traditional area. Now, if you go to AMPOMAH, people who are involved in vegetable farming are not able to undertake their farming activities because of the galamsey that is going on within those areas. We want government to ask Minerals Commission to stop issuing licenses for people to come and mine at Brekum. We are not ready to accept it.
Ode okra mama so kohwe ho nyina wan adi de sua na nasua nkasa kra do ho kra wo ma hono no ena mankasa ho nso sa no kra wo bo so benkasa sei wo mo aye ho sei pasa ena na kasa wo de wo ka de atremi nas commission ma mo ntena nkran issue license en fa man krofo so mbra brekum nyesa wo mba ye o ma de pa ena na manfo na e ka na ho we ni okasa ye na opon bo aten dot e otoso mienu da be hina wo brekum no ena won demonstrators no won so kakra ade bi ka ho a kire se no kura won adwala pa.
The year 2011, we here Abrobe we did district award e wo Brekum ha. 2012, we did regional award e wo Abrobe no ho. Benam sa galanse na yin nti se ne ma ya nsuo kura me di begusu no. Nya bi nsuo na me di abo spray aye adwuma bi a wo ho.
Afa ye dia nkuruma, ye di ahwe ma, ye di aye ajapade bi a ye sidane. Yes, adwuma bebre ne ye dua ntosi wo so. Se galanse ne ba ye no, sa no ma ni nyina pa cho ba se no.
Ahu amanfo no na ekasa no ahu na no papa yi frɛ mu ano aka se wanka no ho ababa no mu adi awi ɛna wo mu gusu di no na asemi hu on sese ne na Alexander Kwasi akwa AAA triple A mine na wo kan bie ewo achimodan no Brekum East na sebadwani elder Simon Ampame mu Ampame kireme wono kura kasa ho no che sense mu kwa so wo betena se pa ma sa de we yasie de nya de obepene.
What is unfortunate is that people come and move to the cooperative responsible mining, pick licenses, pick operational permit, but come to the down and rather do galamsey. So we are sending this signal that if indeed this is what is called responsible mining, then anybody in this country can accept it, but the good people of Brekum, we are not willing to accept it.
I would say, we ye, Bakroma can say, Rekum so say, Rekum so say, one, and no be near pan, the Brekum for your money, one budget. Monfama, dear, one pet. Where you are, no, Simon, I'm Pammy Chrameno, and I watch I say, South say pan, you see a responsible cooperative, Japan, Profit 10, baby, me having a way pan, yeah, and no need Yamudi Bay, 1 month, because I don't amount for a deal, a month for the battle, and the best soon. We I am come my free Brekum, Galamsey common.
And yeah, Abani say no, Rasaba Jafono, John Momone Brewa, but if your pa, Shambran, ding. Said the obedi ho agrono ebebunu nsam wontesa ba be adride obi ade no ho begim sewutufu na wono manfa na no na executive director Adama Africa Center for Parliamentary Affairs Dr. Rashid Draman wade to so cha say na no a yenka bi nhemu a yebete ya after 1 year celebration no wo mokọ boss Ira Kenneth Aje wonko defense minister say a designate inte ba say wo mogini tumu a wo ba ya yede Mame Zane Twajma Rollins, Eco Environment Hono. And na Dr. Babacha said, Bra womo bo, sir, dear woman show rat, Bama Yaraga Nano, no cranny, Nasabe Jeffio. I almost surprised, pa.
We've never had this kind of numbers before in our history. I mean, and it's been, I believe, quite overwhelming to the front bench of the NDC over the last 1.5 years, particularly when it comes to getting members to attend to the House and getting quorum and so on and so forth. And I believe 1.5 years into the role, the leadership now has, I want to guess, figured it out. Now with this change, it's going to take a lot of catching up to do for the new leader. We don't know what that holds in store for him. And so that's why for some of us, this came quite as a surprise.
Dr. Rashid Draman, or executive director, Adama African Center for Parliamentary Affairs. And watch us no and Sayana for tre a buy titru obejfi hono. Wa mu say no na womanina. Sempo nansi say beba. What is a hot bite so krano. Na kane soafo abede akira no wo hwe bambo ho nsem na so. Ewo abanda dana penso. Na kufuado apenso. Yewura Derek Oduro kura kan say wo mu hwe ewura James Agaga say. Na modi anu wa bona parliamentary committee na wono mo hwe security si no wo ka ho ana afi mame zaneto no wo ye friend to wom committee no nyina chi no no wo munim se bia ho na betimi apia aba nanso yewura Kenneth no nso wono wo ye deputy defense minister pen na wo adwuma wa bo ho ne ba bi wo sesi na enye nwanwa eno na Dr. Rashid say wo mo nso na wo ma ye surprise no
na ye toa ensem no eso ko ona bu ko jo pon kroma ofuanse ayi de bi mra sebedwani wona na ye ka say wo kire say nanu wana wate sa manfo ka sa new cocoa bill ne ho asem no se na dia ban kra na koba cocoa bill no mu nkireche mu yi wono wa mra se odwam ho no ene so some one am kwagitum no ase apu wana kwagitum wo mu di mirika no mo de ba certificate of agency no mo ba gitum sa na cocoa bill no niema ewo mu no akuafo no ho ba kire won papa o de ehwe se yase wontimi ntwa cocoa mu wo breko a swollen shoot kurati asim na o be se o twago o hia tumi wa han hia tumi wa hanti ade no e se o yi free montam na anya sa ankofo wa hawa amre ne yewa ne ho ano benben o ma aka no ho no wontimi san se unyenya tumi no a wani be ba ho so na akoko na sei
You speak to the cocoa haulers, you even speak to the cocoa processors, so that the rules that you are making have all of them in mind. So one interesting provision, for example, is the provision on repurposing. That now for you to be able to repurpose your cocoa farm or even to go into cocoa farming, you need the express permission of the minister. Now that first of all flies in the face of even Cocoa Board's own rules about how to deal with your farm when you have incidents of swollen shoots, etc. And their own rules prescribe that when you have some of those incidents, one of the first things you should do is to cut down those trees. In fact, not just the affected trees, but trees within a certain circumference, because the agents that carry the items that cause the diseases, they cannot survive on dead tissue. Okay. They will survive only on living tissue. So Cocoa Board itself encourages you to immediately cut down not just the tree, but trees within a certain circumference of that particular tree.
Go no come. One no I have say the beam that sebejani and what je breach church and say must teach some pakasi.
Na ewusua ene ma yenwura mu we dia ye sade na constitutional review committee wono mususuo se aba eteso na na se to aba mama mpania na nka ye mfie nan no wono mususu se mfie nan na ye de be ma no wo ba afe ba akono de afe no wo de be boa ne ho awi akwakọ yi na so afọ ene ni chief directors mo abobo aban akra chimpanimfo no mudin ne board fo a ebewie na afi abesana kọ na mfie mienu mu ye wura sese kura no ye to abayi a sese ye kọ mfie mienu mu mpo no afi na resafo bi mu ye adwuma board fo bi kura afi na ye frefre won enti sanke kọ mfie numu a anka beboa anya hwe no wo de afi no edi kan ye de omba ye nyina wie na afi wo manya mfie nan ye mupi etimi asom wo man no som papa na san komo ehu na executive director Edema Institute for Democratic Governance IDEC Dr. Emmanuel Akwete wode toso na wachem se ye kan we nyina ene se de ne yesi se emfie num na yemfa ma ban a ye beto aba ma no nom ne ehu ade no ehu abra bo nyina no wo man na wo se ye bo ho aboso se ye bepe ho sika ne yetumi aye se adwuma no na wo kan we nyina no wo che se ye hwe we a enya de ebetime de eno na akwato so we de aboafo meboa yen na ye pese sei ye aban ne mfie num ye aboafo nso beti ase aba beboa gi ya ye obese momomo ema adwuma so na waye ama ye no na ye wo an waye gi ya ye boy aboso enti Dr. Akwete presidential term no wono nso ne de a
Transition to a possible 5-year framework for presidential tenure is a big issue now, maybe after 28 elections. I don't know, they haven't been categorical. But who's going to finance this? I think we have enough money. The Common Fund, I think, has a lot of money that, if handled well, could also, yes, help us begin this. The donors are gone. They are not coming soon. And you can't take money from them now. But we must be able to commit our funds, taxpayers' money, and what other we generate, into looking at this 5-year frame, not only for the presidential tenure, but also local government, and if parties are open up, who's going to finance this? But they are crucial for our democracy and crucial for us building strong institutions that will serve the needs of the people. This must be a very serious conversation we have.
We're Executive Director, Edema Institute for Democratic Governance, IDEG for no. Na we ya ye kan nyina no oponche cheku na woni ne di sa nkomoi ya na doctor chire mo se wo hwe ba bia e sei even Supreme Court kura trade ne mo aduru no a ye tie chire ye ni age so e be bo apa ama monicracy na firi mu no hwa na e kwa akobo ho ka na asema wo busa no
afi ye to aso na we nyina no e ya amamuo enti MMDCs no wo nkomo wa ha administrator adema district assembly common fund me offer Michael Yamson one day to John Watcher Sabayanka. Your constitution no what the 5-year term see by you know. Once anya na yan guarantee say metropolitan, municipal, and district assemblies ninano. Sikabia one by GBA, 100 million, 175 million, no more 25 a pen from Rabino. I was central government to go. Name 75% no mobile year. I think one of the proposal no debate. Ebaya. And Sunday at the Mamu and I'm better now the end ambassador de Biano. Monchra framework na a quantity of what this kind of mammo, Niamode Bayanano. Ya no much there. Dr. Michael Yamson.
We propose that assemblies retain 70% of their revenue within their own jurisdiction. Some of you may already be asking, MMDAs keep all their internally generated funds today. So why propose 75? Let me be precise about what this guarantees. It is not a ceiling. Full IGF retention continues exactly as it stands today. It is a flaw and a constitutional one. The 100% they enjoy now is a matter of policy and administrative convention. Real, but revocable by whichever administration decides otherwise tomorrow. I'm proposing that we stop relying on convention and write a guarantee into our constitution. As
Yera Michael Yamson, wano, ena edin komo nyina tu dua yamane boni na opon checheku. What ase de maye.
Abusia ye transam no so na opon checheku kro na wodaso gina ho. Wonya ntentenai na opon sama wato aba Professor Bopin ena wakasa wo ho. One na ye head of civil service. Evans Agridakon, Professor of Finance at University of Ghana Business School, Professor Godfred Alufo Bopin no. Na Professor Alufo sama wode to so ene se de na ye fani pa adwuma mu a na aye whom you know the anim no ansa emfa ho no nim de ene de abetimi ayo na ewia na ade no ape ba bia afa na afi ayira no abusua wo ka we nyina no ana obobo so naja wa ba be kire se ba bia eniama keka kono ebra so se yenwuma hodo no ye betimi ayire mu ye na eno achi ye fa obi adwuma mu a ebe ya na adwuma obetimi ayo na nkwankwa ye se de yenim no na yewra Evans Agridakon eno wode sansemi eto oponchichiku enim.
And so he has indicated that there is certain agenda all of us must rededicate ourselves that framework and repent, he said, repent in a manner that will make us much more productive, that will make us much more agile, that will make us much more responsive, attitudes that are positive and that will have developmental in orientation, so that we can change, from our old bad ways and into human beings, into individuals, institutions and structures and systems that really will actually anchor the development that we so fervently are seeking. If you look at the comparisons that he sent up.
Na ewie no yewra Evans Agri wakasa wie ya na Professor Bopin de ne de ne beto so chase ne ya ye bibia manyosem empo asore kura no wo kwa ne abusa sai asore na awom no MPP na ndizi info na dɔɔso wɔ hɔ ni nyina yetime de ye na eduru adwuma fam nso a na ɛno nso yɛ ne saa ɛno nya de ɛboa yɛn prof nsɛm ni.
In terms of how we approach our public investment, how we approach the public sector service delivery, how and all of this, research has been brought and research. And the reason I'm saying so, if you look at the past 70 years, if you look at where we are now compared to any 60s, I think time is not on our side. So we can't afford to waste an hour and it requires that we put the right policy in place and all of that. And the other thing I want to talk about, which I also mentioned, is that these days we see the entry into the civil service, public service, and the number of state institutions increasingly being driven by political affiliation.
Enti enimo hono, what is yewra Evans Agridakon, wono edi kan ekasai, ena fe Professor Godfred Alufo Bopin so edne de ababe pisu a ni nyina no wono mo kan ede ababe se ebraso se digitalization ye bema na ye adwuma na wo de wawi osuku wuti hiama nkyene woni ba ho so no ne abodin se wo na ede wo headquarters amo akwa ye adwuma no beboa yen asen se wei eye minipa wei eye minipa
afe yamra kuayo enkomodum na ne wankran he ya ana oswafo a won na he awrakacha so onanyamfo erikopoku wo ba modin agina simpie ni apa so do pa adwuma de bi ho ntoma na ne nyina ye se yade baboa ama yenya agric fund fotuo bi a ye twade ato na eno no yade be entete ene nkyerɛkyerɛ ne atimi nso de aboa ama awrokwacha no yatimi akoni nanim ye pa na bra ona bo erikopoku wogina simpie ni apa so na wo kasa de kyerɛ dom ne nyina no okono wo hyeda fa national and international reporter na no pon checheku ade ne ka ne ho nti ono so de ba sei
Every one of these ambitions depends on people with the right knowledge, practical competence, creativity, and discipline. Before we can sustainably feed Ghana, we must equip Ghana. Before we transform our farm, we must strengthen the institutions that prepare the people who transform those farms. The Ghana Agricultural Fund for Education and Transformation is therefore not separate from the Feed Ghana program. It is an important human capital pillar for delivering its vision. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, Ghana's Agricultural College have for decades produced a middle-level profession who provides online extension service, technical support, practical leadership, our agricultural community.
Eno ade atoso no committee we nya so am de konum ti na mum wo mo beboa de sika na beboa mo man Ghana no atimi akonkan na wo ka se wani mu ho no eno wo kire se we nyina ye o kan feed Ghana kura wani mu hoyi si e betimi afidi Ghana je se ye ma Ghana no ne ho ye de ne ne ye ma no emfidie ne ade obetimi ya ya adwuma na enisu ade hunu de wo mu obi pa
business, the government public, and public foundation, alumni association, and all public spirited Ghanaians to join us and partner with us. Let us collectively endow and abolish, equip a workshop, adopt an agricultural college, support a demonstration farm, invest in machinery and digital tools for dissemination of agricultural technical knowledge, fund applied research and innovation, provide scholarship, offer intention and industrial attractiveness, help us build institutions that will continue producing agricultural leaders around the world. Many leading educational institutions have been built and sustained through long-term participation. And what you see, you know, we are Oremian for Eric Opoku. Now we are a coordinator. Adema Ekoi Wamwa Ebahe. No my jijin in a great fund in Yama, no my jijin in an Aya Steven. In Shira or that a few. What also the Kakrakan, what I said, no correct. Sika as you among Anjeno. One by the Jenny Pepe Paya. Quanso Crano. Nyadi Bayra.
Congratulate once again the President, the Honorable Minister for Transport, the media, and all those other voices that had contributed to this historic success. But as Humphrey also said, many of you have known me as a legal advocate in January, but I've also dedicated my years, several years of agricultural transformation projects, from leading the economic enclave in Kasunya to basically leading the food systems unit that had a mandate to reduce post-harvest losses, expand agroforestry, and impact 150,000 hectares.
We a lead coordinator. Adema Fandi, one more, Eberhe, Alto to Scasem, Nama, Bibia Boko, Stephen, in Shira or that a few, national and international reporter, no point to cook, and we'll call media confining in a bag.
And when you can, Shiraya, visit, Dr. Inshira, what man crans have some po, and was our man for the way, upon the hour, what they buy. Now, yeah, quite, na fe, and Commas say, Ebo Boba, natural chairman for us, a command Ghana, yes, and to my good fin power, Brofunu Kromo. Na the Abuba Baye, Executive Director, ya wono ene da African Center for Energy Policy ano Benjamin Boache ena we say asem we ma yentana ho sa Ghana na yemfa ni di nkomo na ebi ni mo ka na abrofo no nso edi di wo mo nkomo wo mo ko anyina kura na mo de ko e kire say ya che Ghana ni bia bribe bi e bata no ho e wo ho ama juries na wo ho no kura no wo mo bu ase na egu nanim na hwan ye se wura kwakwa sante be ko kane na wono kure ya to ho no wodi eho dwuma na saa asam na wo mo ka no enne ebobo ya na no wote se na Dr. Kwabena nko wo yi ano se mo bia mfa ne di mefore na yewura Benjamin Boache a wono wo ye Africa Center for Energy Policy ho no Executive Director say ma ye ntena se nwe hu ye hwehwe mpansi ase.
So evident that you have such a scale of bribery and corruption in our power system. Any sensible approach requires that you pause and investigate and look into it. So at this point, it's not just even the OSP, the Attorney General, even the Energy Ministry itself should be doing introspection. Unfortunately, you have a new minister who wasn't the minister at the time when this corruption happened. Should now look back and say, can we look at these agreements? We have recently been struggling to even engage these IPPs to give us significant haircut that keeps the sector afloat. So this is, for me, a major opportunity to go back and look at how these contracts could have been optimized. We have had no doubt in our minds since 2015, and you track all the writings, all the publications we've done on some of these IPPs. We have always been worried about how these contracts were signed, and we knew something was wrong.
Enti sa AXA Energy dire no de ma me kwa don konya me fa ne krense ye no wo bobi so no eno na yewura Benjamin Boache sa se we ma ye ntratena ho a na no se de wo musi tie wo ma no si kenufura ta no ye nkofa ne mra enso de ba ena so no kokoba wo nyina korobofo ma na
eno sa nkomo nyina no se ba sa na akoye sikasem na soafo a na be de akire sabra no tete no de no na owo ho bie e wa so e ho amwe sika asem so enei okwa park so a won na ye as a referee ana chairperson ya woda ho me am kuro mampi abna so asare won na ye ka say wo say na no mo ho na Bank of Ghana for the gold board report buy won be ka kire say o wo mo e ka wo mo abo e wo gold board ne Bank of Ghana nkomonum e little over about $200,000 per no kwa no say ya kwese magana say dollars bi aso no kwa no say o e shada nya hin bia na so na no IMF report here buy wo mo ko 1.7 billion enya MAB eno am say ha ho no na san komo we pan de wo ka kire mampani mahama wo tena so a na wonim ho bi.
Just one entity using 22.5 billion as a loss. The Minister of Health is complaining about the fact that he needs 6 billion Ghana cedis to recruit nurses. And here we are, 22 billion Ghana cedis going down the drain, when we could have used that amount of money to support the recruitment exercise at the Ministry of Health to enable the many nurses who are currently at home, to enable them to be employed. And for this one, it's going to be a win-win. The 22 billion, government is not going to recover. But if they had spent 6 billion out of the 22 billion, you employ the nurses, unemployment rate will come down, and these same nurses will help you generate more revenue because they are going to pay income taxes. So this is where our concern is, and this is where we are coming from. 22 billion Ghana cedis going down the drain, when just a fraction of it could have been used to support the Ministry of Health to recruit the number of nurses they are talking about. So President Mahama, somewhere last year you engaged the SOEs, and then you mentioned that SOEs that are not making profits or SOEs that are not thriving, you either close them down or you merge them. So we want you to walk the talk. Look into Gold Board. Look into the losses that they have incurred so far and see how best you can salvage the situation.
Mampani one and ano okaye o say state-owned enterprises na woman boy kano ube gunu ana be submerge bi ube merge bi ene account for the Gold Board. Say 22 billion Ghana cedis are the come off akromu a 1.7 billion dollars. One ye na basa dia Gold Board nuguno. Anya sa de anane ye kan nyina be kan de abehwo na so na no kwabena minta kan do say we here be 6 billion pe no de for bad oba person di mo afọ madwuma nso wonya nti wo mu nyina tifie ama ye bu no toto and na no one time premium ikura mo kan ye kura no kura amfa mo ntimi anye automatic posting sika nka mo be automatic posting ni nyina no kwabena ne ahye no wo wie no eno say ba ku bi wa akire ba ku wa akire ni ye womu sa audit firm no a womu ko audit Bank of Ghana for yeah womu ka say 200 to a little over 200 million dollars no womu sa for no e wase ya hwe wom ni ehu ba bia figures a o de 200 million no be there 1.7 billion aden.
Another is this. BOG recorded $214 million as the loss. IMF comes. IMF is privy to all the data and everything and says, no, the loss is not $214 million as you recorded, but $1.7 billion. I'm asking the accounting firm that audited Bank of Ghana, I want to hear from them on this. So how do they treat the difference of close to 1.4 billion? How was it treated? That it cannot be seen in their financial statements for BOG to declare that they only made a loss of 214 million Ghana cedis, and then the IMF comes and says no, that loss on Gold Board is 1.7 billion. So I'm also calling out the accounting firm that audited Bank of Ghana. They should come clean. We want to hear from them. We need an explanation of how they treated the difference of 1.4 billion. That is very, very important because here their credibility is at stake.
What? Yes, I'm more credibility. You're better to get them. Watermelon Street here, Womudri. You're the barber chassis here, the Kota, the Augusto. Where Mammy Abros Asari no, one na, why Tiwa East, Merasebe Janino, Parker so, one on a test one somewhere at Amelisamo, one more park and so, yeah, one would do referee. Nacaneno, I share never see Samson, no one I can offer the chick before. Yeah, Nano Cramina Adam Bao, Sambo in the Chidom. No one in the year more, when Tibanisika Samno, one more grass I chatted accountant, Wabenepa, and now Wobusa figures no, our honor. Abusia, where's Suna Yagina? Now Adani Hosima Paba, Yaba. Erika send to us obemo.
Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Ghana had the obi enim say your prostate. Na baby omutibi ye screening ema uhuni ye etu asia. Na a Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Anase a kidney, a liver problem. Wofa baby and ajjo. Na the friend premature ejaculation no a maybe a woni wodofo akwakwisia. Asa wo di ne ho agro. Asa wo tonte. Ene ebra Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Na ye moa. E man mema mo pa wo. E ye Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Wo mo demu fua. Yare bia infections bi na wo ho. Anase bia wo hwa wofa baby na ajjo. Kidney problem, prostate de. E ye Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Kuma se ubehu Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. E wo kronoma boy here. E na Accra hanso so de. Wo mo gina mu ankasa. E wo Spinters baby friend share signboard no. Wudru na ubusasa wo pe Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Obia ebechro. For Endpoint e wo 0244867068 and 0274234321. Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Wo mo demu fua. SOMPA kasiyebo aji babia
esansa ha na wiase nyina etie ti aji babia ye de kase na kwam ofa krom America enura ne nne ene ye bebo wo kase se me ofa se wo ko ayi nyina wo ko Turkey Istanbul yi babia na anu asem ekoto wo ma ebeka Ghana ni abrante Christian atwi wo ko NATO for summit wo ho na wo ba na wo yeso ba na wati so ye se krofo na ye missiles ne ready a wo mo de ba no so nti no be yanka wanya fast send your ship mukura wonko wura no asem me wo be fa wiem en wom de ne fa catering box um ene ne ko wura plane um wom de ne wura mu main wine no amu no ene wo fa akire se ya no san si akire ena pua wo si disi pe ena yemaya na wo mu gudi si no wo mu ko busan sa wo fa Trump nada na yes
Well, it's only up to Secret Service. I just follow what they'd like to do. So I go by Secret Service and the military. They wanted me to go on a different flight, a different plane, equal safety, but they wanted me to do it, so I do it. I do what they say. I guess there was a threat out there. I didn't really ask them much about it. I get a lot of threats. I don't know. I think actually the plane that I flew on was at greater risk. I think it was at greater risk because that would be the plane I think that they would be more likely to go for.
San komu se no no tiramu a komba ko akobuna hwefam kura ba mo hu se da bia pa no amfo no na wo mo san ja ntu timi se Trump no nkrofo no ne wo nam no kura na so ohwem yi because I be hwe na Pete Hexeter na no de no koye you know be hu ana AGYA coins we ye me wa fa no 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 che so no no or the Secret Service for na nante enti ni won baka no no otie enti ni wo kan se wo fa da bi unya fa we se kim na de kwa na sa isi akwa krabrempon every Ghana no abeto adede no so entime sraw kwafa ba akono na o ye fast na o fa akire ho kwafa soldier for de no a same protection wo de ne bedu asumjem he wo fa dua no ho na abesi fom boko wo firi ho na abehwe fom ni nyina wasi enti wa ba bedru asem bia ni fie we so na ye nyina na ye de kase ni nyina e de ama medima for ba center na so ya se just what kenke boye chidom na kasa na chira minu awata enso kan ye ho ma ye so e wo so mpan kro bata ni nyina wo man Ghana mu a ewiase amansan so AGYA kase ne Kingdom 106.5 1 FM enso ji wo mankasim na Doma FM 100.7 enso fire na Karesia Band Radio so ji pitin ye ma bibia etimi ekoboko ye de wo asie Sento gasi adawroma eno de ekọ Facebook ne so na bretu ban so be chinchim ni aka no nyina de ema ye ma anuanu ba nu men at work ye je bre ebe de anu gu ensemi ho asew de ema wo memedin odoma nkoma chiame OBREMPONG-NANA KWAKU AMPOMAH mene ya pam no
triple A man APPIAH
Midimafo, Pokwase Maira Accra, Midimafo,